Assalamualaikum. I am Farhana, metric number 1915536, and now I will explain about the definition statement. So for the first block, this is program number. Second block is safety condition. Third block is tool change. Fourth block is the setting for this program. The spindle speed for this program is 2000, and the feed rate for this program is 500, and M03 is the spindle on. The next one is the coordinate format. We chose G90 for absolute coordinate. And next one is tool length compensation, and the last one is the cutting depth. We use Z negative 3.0, meaning that this is 3 mm, and M08 is coolant on. So that's all for definition statement.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Hadija and my metric number is 1914220. So today I'm going to explain about the machining statements. This is the whole coding. I'm just going to explain the machining statements because my friend is already explained the definition and the closing statements. So this is the codes, the G code, and this is the X and the Y. This is the R, which is the radius that we only use when we're using the G code G03 and G02. And for this question, we are using absolute coordinate. So we're going to start at point 1. The point 1 is considered as the origin. So it's G01, X 0.0, Y 0.0. And then we're going to move to point 2. It's also the G01 because it's just a straight line. And it's X 85.0, Y 0.0. And X moves 85 to the right. And Y doesn't move. And then at point 3, we're going to use G03 because it has a curve and it is an anti-clockwise direction. That's why we're using G03. And the X coordinate is 95.0 and the Y coordinate is 10.0. And don't forget the R is 10. And then we're going to move to point 4, which is a straight line. So we're using G01 and the X is 95.0 and the Y is 25.0. And then we're going to move to point 5. We are also using G01 and the code is X 75.0 and Y 25.0. And then at point 6, we're going to use the G02 G code because it is a curve and we're going to use the clockwise direction. That's why we're using G02. And the X is 65.0 and the Y is 35.0 and the R is 10. And at point 7, it's a small straight line. So we're using G01 and X is 65.0 and Y is 40.0. And at point 8, we're using G02 because it is also a clockwise direction and it is a curve. So we're using X 75.0 and Y 50.0 and the R is 10. And at point 9, it is a straight line, so we're using G01, X 95.0 and Y 50.0. And at point 10, we're using G01, X 95.0 and Y 60.0. And at point 11, we're using G01, X 55.0 and Y 60.0. And at point 12, we're using G02 because it is a curve and it's moving in the clockwise direction. And the X is 35.0 and the Y is 60.0. And the R is the radius, so it's 10. And then at point 13, it is a straight line, so we're using G01, X 20.0 and Y 35.0. And at the point 14, we're using G01, and the X is X 0.0 and the Y is 35.0. The last one to complete the code is G01, X 0.0, Y 0.0, and that's the machining statements.
So now I will proceed to the closing statement. This is general closing statement. So for M05, this is spindle stop, M09 is coolant off, and M30 is program end. Thank you.